Hey Jacob, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Truck driver.
What kind of truck do you want to drive?
Truck.
What's going to be in the cans in the truck? Drinks? What kind of drinks are you going to deliver? Apple juice? Hey Jacob, show everybody your house. You give a tour? Okay. There's the kitchen. Our new stools. There's the dining room, and we hung some stuff on the walls. Here, that goes out to the deck. They just put most of the deck up. What else do you want to show them, Jacob? Susanna, you want to show them the house? There's our view. Snowy winter wonderland. And there's Mocha.